Zoisha.
So guys, I'm home and I'm currently about to take my COVID test. So I'm currently online waiting. There's 29 or 28 people ahead of me now. I have to register my tube. And this is the sampling tube. And then the bag, I gotta put it in when I'm done. I guess this is a tissue to blow my nose. Yeah, so let go. I'm good, Adrian. How are you?
All good. Can I have your full name and date of birth, please, so I can address you properly?
Sure. It's Zoe Brown, January 31st, 1990.
Okay, Zoe, is this day 1 or day 8 of your swab?
Day 8.
Is there anyone else in the household that needs to be swabbed aside from yourself?
No.
Okay, perfect. Zoe, have you filled out your testing tube label with your name and date of birth?
I didn't fill it out yet, but I have it right here. I can do it now.
So kindly fill it out with your full name and then followed by your birthday underneath.
Okay.
The format is located at the lower left portion of the paper.
Yes. Alright. Alright, that's done.
Okay, and then before we attach it to your tube, can you just read back to me the testing tube serial number?
Sure. It's SHKW36L5R.
Okay, so kindly peel off your testing tube label and then attach it right below those numbers so that it doesn't get covered. So we'll put your testing tube aside and then we'll proceed with the swabbing. But sorry, before that, can you kindly blow your nose and then sanitize your hands afterwards?
Sure.
Kindly use a different Kleenex, Zoe.
Sure, 1 second.
Yeah.
Do I have to blow my nose on camera?
Yeah, it's fine if you don't like it.
Oh my gosh, this whole COVID thing is so invasive.
It is.
Jeez.
But it's good for interesting for our long-term care, partners. It's too much for them.
Yeah, I know. I can only imagine. Alright, that's
we'll
done.
sanitize the hands, please.
There we go.
Okay, once hands are dry and clean, I would like you to locate your nasal swab.
Okay. Here it is.
Then we'll open it opposite the cotton tip.
Opposite the part that's gonna go in, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So grab your nasal swab, and then the cotton tip goes into our nostril. If you'll notice the center of the swab, there would be a scored mark. That would be your break point.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so cotton tip goes to the nostril. Rotate it 15 times, and then go to the next nostril, rotate another 15.
So am I doing it all the way?
No, just the cotton tip itself.
Okay.
You're not doing a nasopharyngeal swab, you're just doing a superficial swab.
Alright, so... Alright, just circle how many times?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo!
Take your time.
Alright.
Yeah. Go, pull it back a little bit out because you're going a little bit too deep.
Okay. Alright, no problem. And then the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Woo!
That's you.
That's not a symptom, that's just from the test.
Right, so grab your testing tube.
Alright.
Then we'll open it, ensuring that we don't spill the liquid contents of the tube,
Okay.
Cotton tip portion of the swab stick goes inside the testing tube into the fluid. And then you break your stick in half.
Okay.
Upper portion is garbage.
Alright.
And then you seal the tube with the cap again. Make sure you tightly screw it back in, okay?
Alright.
And it goes inside your biohazard bag, which is this bag here.
Oh. Yes.
Yes. Alright?
Alright.
Any questions you want me to clarify?
No, I think that's everything.
Okay, so I hope you have a lovely evening. Stay safe always and, take it easy out there.
Yes, I will. Thank you. Same to you as well.
Okay.
Alright, take care. Have a good night. Bye. So guys, I don't know what you guys were able to see, but yeah, COVID test is complete. So now I just gotta go on, as he said, to my thing and schedule my pickup. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your favoriteest girl, Zoesha. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And again, welcome back. So it's the start of the weekly vlogs. Today's Sunday. As I was saying before the video got cut off, I was at Giant Tiger with my mother. I had taken her to go look for some curtains. And then just picked up little grocery, came home and cooked. I made lasagna. I'll show you guys that a little bit later when I'm cutting it to go give mommy her piece. But yeah, I was working on something yesterday. That's why I didn't vlog yesterday. I don't really know what did I do yesterday? I didn't do anything. I was in bed for the most part, and then towards the night I started building something because there's something that I want to add to my list of things that I can do for my event business, which are number and letter mosaics. So this is what it looks like. When I don't mind, just pay attention to this. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is 5 feet or 4 feet, I believe it is. Yeah, 4 feet. So I'm about to fill it with some balloons. So yeah, I have my balloons here. Kind of hard to see because the light is really bright, but I'm gonna do it blue, white, clear, and gold. So I'm about to fill it right now, and I just thought it would be cool for you guys to see it completed. I'm so freaking excited. I don't think you guys understand like how much my businesses are my babies. Like, I put so much effort, energy, focus, time into them. Like, I just like to see good things come out of them. So I'm really super excited to be adding this because these are things people love to add to their events. You know, spelling out your name, having your age, like big, whatever. Yes, you can use lights, but to also put balloons in them as well. So I'm excited to see it actually come fully together. The fact that I even built it is major for me because I was not sure that I could build it. Oh, and I ended up getting an appointment, so I was able to get my toes done today. Yes, and I was able to get my eyebrows done too. Like, I look like somebody's youth. Like, hello, my edges are just not doing what they were supposed to be doing. Well, they were doing what they were supposed to be doing, but baby girl, it's hot outside. Canada is hot. So yeah, anyways, enough blabbering. This is what I'm about to fill up. You guys wish me luck. I'm so excited. And I'm on the phone with people, man, but people, man, don't have time for me, people. People, man, don't have time for me. Every time I'm on the phone, it's just pause, the phone upon pause. So, yeah. Alright guys, we reached kind of far, but I needed some extra balloons to fill in some spots. And I could still fill it in if I had like little smaller like gold ones and stuff, but I don't. But if I did, I would put some little ones. But yeah, this is lit. Shit. Okay, let me show y'all. Whoop. morning, guys. It's Monday and I'm getting ready to go to work. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. You guys, I have not been to work since December 18th or 19th. I don't remember anything. How did it go? Anyways, I don't remember, but yeah, I haven't been to work since December like 18th, 19th or something like that. So really freaking nervous to go in. But yeah, I'm about to shower. Just had to fix up my hair. I made my tea to go. Literally just packed my lunch. I'm gonna get better and take stuff and show you guys everything. But I got my lunch. I can't find my lunch bags or anything like that. So yeah, I have my salad, my lasagna, I have a pear. Yeah, I'm just going to work. So I'm gonna go get ready and come back with you guys and then get on the road and go to the people that are work. I can't believe I'm going to work, guys. I'm going to work. Jeez. The full has never been told yet. The truth has never been spoken of. It's like I've never been home. Give thanks to Jah. I was never alone. Woo! People, so me and the carry. I got ready for going to the people that work. I'm so nervous, you guys. I'm so nervous to see my boss. You guys don't even understand, like, okay, how much this man wanted me to get back to Canada. But anyways, I'm heading off to work now. My new little $5 blouse on my body the other day. Yeah, belly little bangish and sing, but whatever. 7:57, so I'm good for time. So I'm gonna listen to my little Ritika. Yo, you guys, I don't know, this song gives me cold bump every time. Like, what a song! Oh! Yes, as I'm saying, I'm going to work. Woo! God, this is where my... Oh God, you guys, I've turned into a workaholic. I don't know how to explain it, but like, between my business and like my day job, it's crazy how much a person can work. And like, I realized that being in Jamaica and being idle, how much I'm used to just being go, active. Like I'm not, the only downtime I have is when I'm sleeping. That's the only downtime I have. And I don't mind it, cause yeah, I'm not like I go. Anyways, when I get to work, oh my God, I want to see my desk. I'll come back when I get to work, you guys. Oh my God. Anyways, people, later, I'm going to listen to the music and go start my drive later. Guys, my desk. Oh my God. Guys. Hi. Yo, this is so crazy. But yo, I'm back, yo. I'm back at work. Yeah. Sign on to the people on computer. I'm gonna look and see what I've missed. Let me see if my stuff is still here. Oh, my stuff is here! Oh my God! Oh, I could cry. Literally, you guys, I could cry. Oh my God. Anyways, peeps. Later. Oh my God! Bye. Hey guys, so reach home from work. Everything went great. It felt like my first day all over again, but it was literally great. My boss was happy to see me, caught up and everything, and I just went right back into it. Like when I got back in the groove of things, it was almost like I never forgot anything. Like I thought I was gonna forget like how to transfer a call, which company whose belongs to who, but I still remembered everything. And yeah, but at the downstairs right now, I wash. So I'm about to wash because good girl clothes dirty. God, can't sit down for one like 5 minutes. Let's feel like I'm hop and down. You know, people don't feel sorry for me, you know. God, no, I don't know. But yeah, people, I'm gonna find a craft to do, something to do, either a project that I I need to do that I haven't done yet, or something. I actually need to find something. And it's crazy to me how everything else is here and I don't see those things for it, because I would just do those tonight and call it a day. People, that's how I'm going right now. Not go boring now. Talk to another look at it later. So guys, just come back in from downstairs, putting in the clothes in the dryer. But I am about to do some work. It's 9 o'clock at night, you know, and I'm about to start a project. I found the items that I was looking for, because I have boxes and bags filled with art supplies, or craft supplies I should say. I'm not an artiste. But yeah, I just have bags and boxes, and I think like right before I was going to Jamaica, like I just, either that or Fuffy came here and just did that, but I just pack up everything in on the barrel, or pack up everything in a one box or one bag and like put them up, because like they were just all over the place. And like when I say, you guys, like I have bags of paint, bags of glitter, I have bags and boxes of paper, cardstock, vinyl, blanks to like put stuff on, so like wine glasses, champagne glasses, mugs, them type of something, the tumblers, what else I have, balloon, pump, my recording equipment. Like I have one bag of things, like, okay, as you can see, printer, machine, I mean, not even see all of the things. I don't want to talk about it. Spray paint, everything. Anyways, so this girl was getting married and I was supposed to be doing all of her like groomsmen gifts, bridesmaids gifts, all of them something there. So I'm finishing up her order, because she ended up getting married during our lockdown this I think in May, if I'm not mistaken, or beginning of June, one of them. And so I'm just finishing up her order, because it's been 2 years almost now that she was supposed to get married in August, after I was supposed to get married. So we were supposed to get married last year. Wait, yeah, I got married last year. So call it, yeah, it's a year and more, because she put in her order way before anything. So anyways, want to finish up her order and get her stuff out. So I wanted to do her groomsmen flasks, so that's currently what I'm doing right now. So I already had everything designed. Let me just show you guys a little bit. So like I literally made this design. There are some places like you can go and like get the templates, but I don't know, I just kind of like the task of like being, you know, doing everything myself. Like when I look at my work, I'm just like, oh my god, I did that myself. So I literally designed these. So right now I'm just taking off the titles, the groom and stuff, and I'm gonna cut out the monogrammed letters first, and then put those on, and then deal with the other parts afterwards. So that's just currently what I'm doing right now. As you can see, just deleting those things, and then I'm gonna print or cut, as I said, there's something there, and make that. I don't know why when it comes to nighttime, that's when I want to do work. But even if I don't, as I said, if I don't do them tonight, at least if I have them cut out, then tomorrow my work will be easier. And then I have her card box to make. I have her champagne glasses to do for her bridesmaids. I have her bridesmaids robes to do. I have her flower girl tumbler to do. I have her oh shoot, I have to order her flower girl robe. I have to order her flower girl robe, do her flower girl robe. Why can't I talk? Flower girl robe and all of them stuff there. So does anybody want to buy me a desk? Asking for a friend. Asking for this friend. Does anybody want to sponsor me a desk? Please let me know so I can make my office. From me get that me start bill. God no. See? Find one next bag of paint. Oh my god, you guys, I found my veil today. My anniversary is literally next weekend, you guys. And I still don't know what to get, babe. Oh my veil! Dum dum da dum. Dum dum ta-dum. Dum dum ta-dum. Dum ta-dum ta-dum ta-dum. Dum dum ta-dum. Dum dum ta-dum. So much love in the air. Today is actually one of my favoriteest YouTube couples anniversary. Big up the Powell family. Big up Nick and Junior on their 7th year anniversary. The other day it was Shannon Mario from the Williams family's anniversary. Like, hello, I love it. I love to see it. I love to see black love. I love to see it. I love to see it, because our generation nowadays, we just make it seem like, say, love is just so non-existent, or it can't be real, or it can't be genuine. And I just love when, you know, people just do what the hell it is that they want to do and are happy in love, and somebody can just make you happy and just be your best friend in a life and just chat through life with you and just, you know? Yeah, I love that. I love that for people. And I love seeing people's success stories, especially long distance. Especially long distance, or like things that had like barriers, like, you know, that people had to cross in them someday. But yeah, man. Love. Wow. Can't believe I'm married. I get to celebrate anniversaries and stuff, like real life, like anniversary. You know, you have your anniversary with your boyfriend and stuff. Not saying that those aren't important, because those are important as well, because I still celebrate mine. But I don't know, marriage. Different territory, brother. Yeah, guys. So here we are now. I have to do Ricardo one over, because Daniel fling over upon Ricardo and take off Ricardo off of the something. You see me? So yeah, that way I don't know. Them here cut out and everything. So I just gotta transfer them pan the flax. You see me? So I gotta transfer it pan the flax. And then yeah, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do the other part. You see me? Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when they're done, but look at them before. Oops, see the after. Where's my phone? Boy, you guys, 10:42 at night.
Show her some respect.
Yeah, and I didn't bother finish the flasks, and yeah, I told myself when I come back home, like, I'm giving myself till 10:30, 11 o'clock the latest to finish work, and then actually 10:30, I'm gonna say 10:30, but 10:30 everything should be all wrapped up. So it's 43 now. Shower, everything. I have a glass of wine. I'm gonna drink, or try to drink. Not even really a glass, still enough people. Cheers to the hardworking people. And let's drink, yeah? First day back at work and you're on my son. But then again, my business has me up and down all week long. Public quarantine, not even quarantine, which is what I love. This is what I love. Me don't like being idle. I love always have things I do. So grateful for everybody who supports me, my supporters who have supported me. Big up Tashna and Michelle. This week both ordered something from me, and they're both subscribers, so big them up. Yeah, and anybody else in the past who has ever supported me, or in the future who is ever looking to support me, whether that be it all wrapped up or the missing pieces, or just here on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go to bed, watch Two Broke Girls and drink my wine and go sleep, people. Till tomorrow, get up another morning and go do the people that work, and come home and go do my work. Yeah, tomorrow should be easy at work though. I have a few interviews, and then I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but a few interviews, few callbacks, so we shall see. But yeah, see you guys on Tuesday. Bye. Good morning. Ooh, you guys, my edges never come out. Like, it only looks good when it's wet, because my hair needs to perm. So yeah, but anyways, it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I'm getting a bagel. Before I went to work and I was like, I ain't have no snack yesterday. I brought a pear. Today I don't have nothing, so I'm like, I need something with my tea. So I'm getting a bagel from Timmy's, and then I'm back to work in like a few minutes. Good morning. Was it 185? Oh, okay. Guys, so I'm home. Yeah, work was good, whatever. Went to file my taxes after work. But what a government, Jesus Christmas. Anyways, wasn't lucky this year, so, but whatever, anyways. Just was feeling something on my foot. I see something on my foot, and me not even feeling. I see something on my foot, and I say, what the hell is that? Something look on my foot. No, I lied. I was using my other foot, and I was like, you know, rubbing it against the back of my foot or whatever. And I was feeling something, and I'm trying to take it off, and I'm like, why is this not coming out? Like, what the hell's on the back of my foot? When me look at my foot, so I literally just take off one blister off of my foot, people. Look at my foot now. The blister was so humongous. If you guys are gross, don't look. Look at how big the blister was. Do you guys see this spot? And then there's like literally, don't mind my foot bottom here, people. It's not dirty, clean. I threw me in slippers today. But there's one right here. This is literally what it looked like. I don't know where these are coming from. It must be these one slippers that I've been wearing causing it to look like this. Oh my gosh, my poor little foot them. After I'm getting them nice little pedicures and my toes them look, you know? Ray, you know? Yeah. So I'm there, I'm editing. Today's Tuesday, so video is going up tomorrow. So I'm just putting in the final touches and then render it so it can go up on YouTube. And then yeah, I'll be back on track. Thank God my internet is here. I'm so excited. This is still a Jamaica vlog I'm uploading, you guys, so yeah, whatever, but it's almost done. I think by next week my Jamaica vlog should be finished, because the next one is the ending of my Montego Bay vlogs, and then it's the weekly vlog, and that's it. Jamaica done. Till next time. So yeah, just stay here. I'm gonna finish the flasks later on, so when I do that, I will come back on stream, and yeah, so I'm gonna kind of grab like the snacks and sing, give one a little second to go and grab the snacks and whatever, and watch me craft, and you know, I don't know. But yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys are thinking so far about these weekly vlogs. Sorry if my background is kind of loud. I'm watching Unsolved Mysteries on Prime. But yeah, comment down below, let me know excuse me, how you guys are liking these weekly vlogs, if I should continue, if there's anything you'd like to add, like for me to add in there, cooking and stuff, you guys. Eventually I'll go get back into the groove of things. I am still getting used to being back here. Like, I'm getting used to, you know, being back in Canada. Like, it's still, I'm still adjusting, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but yeah. Oh, I gotta text somebody for work. I think he's ignoring my call. I mean, I like when people ignore me, you know. I don't. Comment down below. You like when people ignore, no? I don't like when people ignore me. I don't like it. I don't like it. And I'm super petty when I'm ready. Like, I'm trying to get out of it. And I'm really trying to get out of it. I think I've done really, really well. I haven't been, I haven't thrown a sub. I haven't thrown a sub. And for me, that's humongous. But I haven't thrown no sub. So, I'm grown. Shit, nobody can tell me nothing, okay? Yeah, I don't like being ignored. I feel like ignoring people is like one of the most Joa would be like, a liar tell go bully for time talk there, you know. No? Okay. No answer. Okay, I'm just gonna text my boss. I'm just gonna text my boss and tell him I never hear nothing from the boys. So anything tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, camera. But yeah, I'm gonna finish editing, guys. When I'm done, I'll start the job. and ting. So see you guys in a little bit. People, me here at work and I get carried away and I say, why does it feel like I'm forgetting to do something? Look how far I reach. 4 out of 6. 4 out of 6. Y'all remember what they looked like before? Wow, look on it. Okay, just the title and the Z. These are nice. I love how these came out. Yeah, baby girl. So yeah, basically what I do when I, you know how we cut out the thing yesterday? Well, I'm pause the knives. You know how we did what we did yesterday? I just take a sheet that, you know, is going to transfer this image onto the image that I am currently working on. Let's see if we can do this because showing over me attacks there. It's kind of look a bit upside down, but the clear image, the clear transfer sheet is over it. So I'm just I'm not even know the right terminology. I think they call this burnishing or whatever, but I scrape the image on this something like sticker. You know, like we have make one sticker to put on something. You see me? So do that. You see me? And then ta-da! It comes off the paper and then it comes onto the sheets like so. And I'm gonna take the sheets like so. And then I place it on my image like so. Wow, if you see what I do, you know. Hold on, I have to measure. Because I'm very, very OCD when it comes on to these things. I like my things them measure. You see me? So I have my measuring tape. I'm gonna inch them. Make that straight. Straight enough. Yeah, Peter, you ready? Boy, I mean, I know them boy give me a trouble. So I think I'm down here. Make sure everything line up. Wait for there. Think of this so Peter go there, you know. Yeah, right there so. Press down the side, yeah. Remove that. Press down the side here, and then we do the same thing again. Right, over the tea gone. Russ, people, look at the tea there. I hate working with small letters. OMG. As we start recording, it start giving me a problem. I go through them something here in like 10 minutes, if even so long. Anyways, once that's done, people, just I gotta take this off. Ta-da! Okay, let me do the tea. Let me fix the tea. Alright, so it's like a trick. Sometimes we have to trick it, you know. Make sure you tell it, ooh, it's this master. I'm going on to the groom one. Hopefully this one work and not give me problem. The man married already and supposed to give problem. And there you have it, you guys. There you have it. Patada. So now I gotta go get more vinyl and finish them up because where's the scrap piece that I have? I don't think this can do Peter's. Or maybe it can. So, yeah, but I'm stressed out. And I need to go get gas because I gotta go get gas from tonight. And I want to go look something for eat. I'm not cook tonight. I just want to look something for eat. I'm done. So I'm about to go on the road. But I got to buy this thing. This file. Come home and like hopefully, fingers crossed, like start it a little bit. So excited! I got to go find my colors and everything. I'm so excited! Oh my God. You guys, this, I love this. But anyways, me cut out Peter and come do what I have to do and come back in my yard and then come thing, yeah? The video I got up, let me see which part, how far it reached on YouTube. I'm telling you, when I was uploading over in Jamaica, you see people? I used to put my phone, my video for go up on YouTube from 12 o'clock in the day, yeah? 12 o'clock in the day. By the time I ready for go to my bed in the night time, 12 o'clock at night, the video still not go up on YouTube. When I wake up in the morning the next day, sometime the video still not go up on YouTube. Watch there, 24 minutes. 24 minutes to go up, yeah? 24 minutes, yeah. Last video got up about 1 week now, yeah? So the people that must vex with me probably ask us, with Zoe says she go on schedule, Zoe says she whatever, yeah. So anyways, yeah. Video go up 23 minutes. Love that for me. I feel so good. I feel so good being productive. I'm productive at work. Oh, my boss said the man get in touch with him, so that good. But I'm productive at work. I'm productive when I come home with this work. I'm productive with the two of my business them. Yeah, every day me I post on Instagram. Come and say every day we want to post on Instagram for the business page them. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Yeah, so I did that and thing. Yes. Anyways, I'm gonna go something there and yeah, later. Love it when you wine for me, baby, when you wine for me. So people, guess where I'm at? Oh my God. It's been so long. Oh my God, you guys, this and the dollar stores are my favorite space on earth, the Michaels. So anyways, I had to come get some supplies, so I literally had no choice but to come to Michaels. So I'm super freaking excited when I'm going to Michaels. Look, you guys, did I tell you I went to bed at like, let me talk to her. Let's tell you guys I went to bed this morning I should say, at like 1 o'clock because I ended up getting the thing that I wanted to buy or purchase, the project, and I stayed up to make it. So I'm here to get some other stuff so I can go home and actually like make it. And yeah, I legit had to come to Michael's to get some supplies. So that's what I'm finna do, and I'm just super excited because I have not been to Michael's in so freaking long. I don't remember what it smells like. I don't remember what the insides look like. I just know say big, bright, white and red. That's all I remember. That's where I'm finna go right now because I gotta go to Michael's and it's 5:36. My video goes up in 20 minutes, so I feel very productive. I like when I do things when I'm supposed to do them, you know what I'm saying? So I love that for me. And yeah. So yeah, finished work, went home, put up the video to, you know, and then, oh, Michael's is hiring? I wonder if I should apply. Alright people, when I reach into my lane, I'll come back to you guys when I'm in Michael's. This is actually the lane I need to come in because I need some stuff for my jewelry business. It's my wedding song. It's really the secret. Every do is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. Okay. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm in the drive-thru line at Burger King. I'm here to get something to eat because it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon and this is my first meal for the day. Yeah, I just been in bed, never want to move, but may I go blow up the balloons then. Baby, me tell us I'm gonna pop the balloons and I do something. I want to do it again. This is going to be my third attempt, people. Before I take a picture and actually announce that this is what I'm doing, I want it to look how I really want it to look. Last night I did one and it looked really, really good. But then I wake up this morning and I will leap at the balloons and fall out of the something. And it was just hard for me to glue them back to where they needed to go. So I'm going to just say, scratch it. Start from the beginning and do it again. Yeah, so I'm just going to do it again. I think I know what I did wrong in terms of gluing them to the board. So I'm going to retry and yeah. But babe loved how it turned out last night, especially the colors that I used. I used like colors more along the lines of my business colors, which is like a light bluish gradient color, gold, white, and black. But I didn't use any black. I just used blue, white, and gold. So, yeah. Hold on, the people. Hold on 1 second. Hey there. Ooh. Bumbleclad 8:45 people. I never that. Me don't want to come here constantly about. Sorry,
Boy, nothing.
That is not what the budget was. The budget was supposed to be $5, whatever the King deal cost. But the Smarties milkshake, I don't know. I was craving ice cream, so I seen the Smarties. I just gotta have it, you know. People, I'm not starve myself. You understand? I'm thick. And yo, people, me tell you that my husband tell me. You see how man lie? When me did it, you know, I talk about oh my fat and Ray. He was like, no, you're not fat, you're fine, you're perfectly fine. If you're skinny, shut up your mouth, man. Shut up your shut up your mouth, man. He was like, oh no, you're fine, Ray, alright, cool. Boom, I'm fine, I feel like I'm fine. I feel like I'm fine, whatever. The other day, me I take off my clothes and me up on video call and he was like, babe, me I gotta tell you something, but don't take offense to it. So I said, what? He said, you know you can't lose the color, you can't lose the color of your belly. Joel said, you guys, if me can't lose the game, said, you know, man, you can't work on it. 8:45? Hold on 1 second.
You wanna pay cash?
Yes, please. People, the man said, me can't lose the color of the belly. Okay? Tell me no. Tell me no, what me for the people? What me for do arson to the boy? But I appreciate that. I'd rather hear it from him than hear it from somebody else. Although me hear from other people already. What you say? What you say, babe? Babe. Hello?
Yeah, man.
What you say? No, that's fine.
Yeah,
Or actually, yes, I forgot I have to get out, yeah. Struggles of WhatsApp. I didn't come out of the car, I'm still in the car. But I'm still in the car, I didn't come out the car. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog, thank you. Coming live from Toronto, man. You're in Toronto, bro? How's the weather, fam? How's the weather, bro?
Which weather?
Toronto's weather, bro.
It's cold, bro.
It's cold, bro. A really different place in the truth. Okay, guys, I'm heading home. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know my husband thinks I need to lose a little bit on my belly. I can't help but laugh.
But they're cool, yeah?
I don't have to, but I could. I'm going to. I have no choice. I got a wedding dress I gotta fit. Shit. My belly gotta be flat. My belly gonna be flat for my wedding dress. Okay? Sure. What's wrong? My little belly? I thought that was your pillow.
Yeah, that's why I love with flat.
Area no people. Him want me to have soup on my body, but him want me to still thick, have body, have belly for cushion and all them something here. You can't please, man. Alright guys, I'm back. Do not mind my workspace. I'm working. Yeah, but anyways, I'm going to finish filling up this number 2. So these were the colors that I was saying that I had. The blue that more so matches my business colors, which I made those block letters the other night. Sorry I didn't take you guys on the journey. I'm really kind of doing good, but I'm not really doing good because when I'm in my work mode, like I don't remember about anything else, so I kind of gotta get used to that. So don't worry, there'll be other things that you guys will have to see because I'm probably gonna have to end up making more of those because damn, that came out better than what I thought it was gonna be, and I still have to finish decorating them, so we're not done with that. But yeah, this is the blue, gold, white, and then I have 5 inches in gold and white. So I'm gonna try to fill this back up again. Let me look for my inspo picture on how I want to do it. So guys, this is my inspo picture. Yeah. So I'm gonna blow the bigger ones up first and then try to fill it in. So I use mostly the big ones to fill in the shape, and then after that I'm gonna blow up the smaller ones to fill in the gaps and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna pretty much blow up the balloons and put them in. Yes. This is where we're at so far, right? So now I just, all these little empty spots, I'm just gonna blow up the smaller balloons, fill them in, and then see how I like it. And then if I want to add any additional ones, then yeah. But yeah, I think I should actually just start gluing these ones down so I can just fill in the spots with the other ones. But I'm gonna wait now that I know I have around the right amount of these ones, and then yeah. So on to the small balloons. She is finished. Yeah, I like how that one here looks. So this, I just did my picture of them, and I was just making my stuff to post. So yeah, I use Canva for everything, even for my work, like actual like day job stuff, YouTube, my business, my next business, like I do everything. So yeah, on Canva, big up Canva. And yeah, so I'm about to update my page to make people know, say yeah, may I do them something here. So the people don't know, say me I do them something here now as part of my business and then sitting there. And yeah, now I'm gonna go and finish editing my video for tomorrow because it is Saturday. As you guys know, I upload on this channel on Wednesdays at 6 or 6:30 and Sundays at 3 o'clock. I hope this timing is working for everybody thus far, and I'll let them something there. So yeah, I have to finish editing Sunday's vlog. Most of it is done. I just have to go put in the final pieces, my background music 666, and I'll let them something there. And I soon go look something to eat because the place where I want to buy food open 5 o'clock. It's 4:32 now, so I might just head over there and go get what I want to eat and then come home and just finish working for the rest of the night. Tomorrow I'm gonna go up on the road early in the morning, go to the grocery store, go look what I want make for eat. And yeah, that's about it for now. So if there's anything that happens, I'll come back to you guys and let you guys know. Okay, bye. So guys, good night. It's still Saturday. 11:15 now, right? And listen to myself today say, I don't really want to wear a weave. And I did have these here for do the butterfly locks from long time. So I'm gonna use them. But I've been seeing the little passion braids, so I'm going to attempt to do that. If not, we are gonna end up with some passion twists and see. So that's what I'm here doing right now. Yeah. My room feels so much bigger now that my closets are closed. So weird. But anyways, that's what I'm here doing. So I'm gonna reach for that and I have my call in the back. Give me about call on the back. But it's literally 12 o'clock on the dot, and I'm giving myself till about 2 o'clock to finish my hair. So it took me 45 minutes to do this. So yeah, this part is done. So now I'm just have to go in and braid the ear. Hopefully wish me luck. Okay, if I come back and my ear done, Ray. If I not come back and my ear not done, you know say, well, Ray. Yeah? Hi guys, guess what? I'm done. I probably finished like 10 minutes ago. Look at the time. What time did I say I wanted to finish? But yeah, close enough. Close enough. Y'all can't really see it, but yeah. Not done yet though. I have to distress her a little bit, but. And I thought I had all red because I was super excited. Like the red looked so good, or brown, whatever. It's a burgundy. It looks brown, but I thought I had all of this color, but it looks like it was mixed with this and number 4. But luckily the braids that I had was red. Yeah, I'm big for big ends. I love that for me. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go lie down and go sleep, finish my African show and go sleep because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna have to wake up early, cook, and then go carry my mother up on the road. And guess what, guys? Exactly 1 week until my first anniversary. Oh my god. See you guys in the morning. Bye.